All right, guys. Welcome to the last part of list 4 for Fry's third 100. All right. Hopefully, this means you guys are practicing up the first part of this list, and we're going to begin on the second part. Remember, this is going to work the same as all the others have. You're going to see the word, you're going to hear me say the word, and then you're going to repeat the word. All right, let's begin. Sometimes. Mountains. Cut. Young. Talk. Soon. List. Song. Being. Leave. Family. It's. All right. And that concludes the Fry's third 100. I want you to go ahead and practice and go through all of these. And when you feel ready, go on and go to the next video where we see what you can remember. All right.